This tutorial supplements the reading of the user manuals provided in the packages by presenting the different steps of fibrinogen testing with LabPad. To begin, make sure you have the necessary equipment. A LabPad, which should be placed on a flat, stable, vibration-free surface. An unexpired Tsmart FIB Batrox in its individual pouch. A whole blood citrated tube. A 𝗘𝗺𝗶𝗹. The personal protective equipment needed to perform the sampling. Turn on the LabPad, select New Test on the top, and then FIB by using the triangular navigation buttons. Once ready, the LabPad will prompt you to insert the Tsmart. Open the pouch and take out the Tsmart. Once out of its packet, the Tsmart should be used within 10 minutes. Insert the Tsmart into the LabPad, press firmly until you hear a click. Make sure that the Tsmart is well locked into the LabPad. A badly inserted Tsmart can prevent the realization of the test. Following the insertion of the Tsmart, the LabPad performs internal controls and then preheats to prepare for the test. When the LabPad is ready for the test, a screen prompts you to deposit the blood sample on the plate of the Tsmart. You then have 2 minutes to proceed. Invert the citrated whole blood tube 4 times. Insert firmly the 𝗘𝗺𝗶 into it. Bring the 𝗘𝗺𝗶 and the citrated whole blood tube over the plate of the Tsmart and press on the 𝗘𝗵𝗶 to transfer the blood drop onto it. To ensure proper filling, the 𝗘𝗵𝗶 should not be pressed on the plate and the blood must be deposited in one go. Once the Tsmart is filled correctly, the LabPad beeps and starts the measurement. When the measurement is complete, the result is displayed on the screen and the LabPad beeps at regular intervals until the Tsmart is ejected. To dispose of the Tsmart, turn the LabPad face down over a biological waste bin and press the side button. Do not manually remove a used Tsmart from the insertion slot of the LabPad to avoid damaging its internal mechanics. After the Tsmart's ejection, the LabPad stops beeping and the display returns to the reverse chronological list of stored results. The last obtained result is located at the top of the list. Use the triangular navigation buttons to scroll through the results list. Press the middle button to access all available information related to the selected result. To go back to the chronological list, press the middle button. The procedure is over and the LabPad is ready for a new test.